Hello everybody, it's Junior Computer Scientist here, and today we're going to play with some linked lists. So yeah, I'm still applying, still don't have a job, so I'm just going to keep practicing for these coding interviews because nothing hurts worse than getting an interview and not passing. That's not what happened with my last interview. I didn't get it though, but we're just going to keep on going. So with this first problem, we have add two numbers. So you are giving two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number zero itself. So as you can see in here, we have 243, which is actually 342, and 564, which is actually 465, and this is 708, which is actually 807. So if you really think about this, all you're really doing is just adding the two nodes that are in the same place, and then if it's like if it equals 13 or something, then you're just going to take that one and then add it to the following node. So yeah, let's go into here. And also, as a disclaimer, I did do this problem already, but I just kind of redo it and try to, after making sure I understand it, just so I can, further my understanding, if that makes sense. Explaining it to you guys helps me understand exactly what I'm doing more. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, anyway, we're going into this, and the first thing we're going to do is make a new list node. So list node answer equals new list node, and then we have another list node to actually manipulate this list node. So, well, the first one, so cur equals not new list node, sorry, answer, because they're in the same place, but you want to have answer actually get returned, if that makes sense. So after that, we're going to do int carry equals 0, and then I'm going to add this while loop. So while L1 does not equal null, or L2 does not equal null, we go into this while loop and we do, well, we need sum. So int sum equals 0 plus carry. Now this is plus carry because whenever we have one as a carry, we want one to already be added to the overall sum. So yeah, it'll either be 0, it'll either start as 0 or start as 1, and that's the reason for that. Then we go into this and we have another if statement. So if L1 does not equal null, and the reason I'm doing this again is because we have situations like this where one list is longer than the other. We go into the list using or, so that either one of them doesn't equal null, because one can equal null but the other one still needs to get added. And yeah, but this one's actually just making sure which one is actually still has more nodes inside of the list. So yeah, with this we just got, actually, hold on, int val1 equals 0, and then int val2 equals 0. Then we're going to go into this and we have val1 equals l1.val, and l1 equals l1.next, and we're going to do the same thing for L2. So let's just copy this if statement and just change everything to 2. Whoops. I'm glad I saw that because that would have been crazy. So now, with all of that being done, the next thing we're going to do is sum equals val1, sorry, keep spelling things wrong, val1 plus val2 And then if there's a carry, it's getting added automatically. So then we look at this and we have to make sure there isn't a carry. So here we're just doing carry equals sum divided by 10, which would either be a 1 or a 0. And then we have sum, which would equal itself modulus 10. Whoops, modulus 10. Then I could just add that into the cur linked list. So cur equals new list node sum. Then cur will equal cur dot next, right? Because then you'll go up and then you'll go to the next node in that, which is exactly what we need. Then after all that is said and done, I believe this is everything that I need. I need to return a linked list. So we're just gonna return it now. So we're gonna return the linked list that we didn't manipulate. So just, oh my God, I put return equals. Return answer dot next, because we start at, the head, which is just nothing, but dot next is like the actual first node. But we need something that'll actually check to see if there's more nodes in the list. So basically, if carry does not equal 0, then we are going to add this as a new node. So it'll be cur dot next equals new list node carry. Then we just return answer dot next, and then when we run this, we should get the correct results. I spelled cur wrong like an idiot, but we run it again and we should get the correct result. Okay, I got a couple wrong. Okay, so I see where my problem is after reviewing everything. So after this, sum should equal itself modulus 10. I thought I had that already, but I guess I didn't. And I feel like this is also the next thing that I'm missing. Sum equals sum plus all of those. There we go. Yep, that was it. That was the thing that was missing, and we got it right. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go over some other linked list problems today, but I just wanted to explain one. So yeah, this is the problem that I had a little bit of trouble with in the beginning, and now I understand how to actually get it working. But yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My name is JordanCS.js on Instagram. My name is JordanCS on Twitter /X. I keep forgetting that the name is X. And you can join my Discord. The link is going to be in the description. And I'm going to see all of you in my next video. We're still coding until we get employed. Thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this because it's